Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we are changing 15 amp regular household wall outlet. We're changing this outlet because it's just painted over and doesn't look too good. This is the same process for the outlet that is not working. In order to check the outlet if it's working properly, we can use this device by Greenlee. When we plug it in, these two lights are supposed to illuminate. This one is supposed to remain off. So if we look at it, it shows one off and two illuminated. This is correct installation. It's showing it's got power to this outlet. That means we need to shut off the circuit breaker before we open it. We're gonna shut off the breaker for bedroom number 2. Make sure we got no power. No power. We can use this device as well. Nothing lit up, that means no power. If you don't have any of these tools, you can just plug in the light or any kind of electrical device into the outlet, shut off the breaker and make sure it's powered down. First thing we're going to do is remove this plate. Now we're going to remove this. I'm going to use the drill to make it faster. All the tools and materials you see in this video you can find in the link below. There's two ways to remove these wires. One is start doing this and they will come out. Another one, just cut it and strip it back with the wire stripper. I prefer to keep the same wires here. This wire not going to come out and we're going to use the screwdriver. This is the ground. This is 15 amp 125 volt outlet. You can see two sets of screws. One's are gold color, another one is silver. White wire, which is common, will go on the silver side. Black wires will go on the gold side. First thing we're going to do, connect the ground wire. Go around this green screw and tighten it up with a screwdriver. Nice and tight. There are two ways to connect these wires. One is to make a loop and go around just like we did with the ground wire. Another way to connect it is to insert it in the openings over here. We're going to use the openings, so I like to screw this in so it's kind of make it a little tighter and out of the way. Now, like I said, the silver wire will be connected to the white, and we just insert it all the way. The black wires will go, if you look inside, you'll see two sets of wires. This is because it's connected to the next outlet over, so the ones coming from the breaker comes here, then the other wires come out, go to the next outlet. I like to keep it consistent, so if this is the wire connected to the top, I will use the same wire to connect to the top hole over here. Insert it. Insert the last one. Now we're going to install the outlet back to the electrical box. And the only thing left to do is install the faceplate. We're going to reuse the same faceplate. There's nothing wrong with it. Do not use power tools on this because it will crack the faceplate and you would have to replace it. But make sure it's not moving. Only thing left to do is check if everything works. We're going to insert this volt alert into the outlet and turn on the breaker. Okay, you just flip the breaker back on. Just close it. checking the power with the volt alert, and you can tell it's lit up, so it's power. We're also going to check it with the circuit tester to make sure everything's connected correctly. 2 lights on, this one is off. That means everything is good. The installation is complete. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.